Okay, so we're going to start with the discussion of DILR mock 5. So I'm going to go through all the sets. Four really good sets. In fact, one of the sets, it's a variation of a set which has actually come in CAT. So let's go ahead and see how to solve these kind of questions. All right. So this is the first set. Four teams took place in a kabaddi tournament in which each played against another team exactly once. So this is the points table given. So when somebody won, they won. Total of the winning points is 52, and they lost. So they conceded a total of 20 points. So firstly, what you need to understand is if there are four teams, each team will play three matches, which means Amatya won two, which means it has lost one. Similarly, Grahan has won two, which means it has lost one. So if I write wins and losses, Talika has won only one, which means it has lost two. There are no ties. Harihar has won only one, which means it has lost two. Okay, so this is the first piece of information. Then the information given to us is the teams with the most points at the end of the match wins. Of course, that's true. The 12 scores for the teams in the matches they were involved were distinct integers from 20 to 32 except 31. And there is a difference of 3 points at least between the losing and the winning team. Grahan did not score 29 points in any match. Okay, so let's write down the numbers. So my numbers are 20. Okay, I have to take the pen again. So my numbers are 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. I'll write a bit fast. 29, 30, 31 is not there. 32. 32. And this is not Grahan. So 29, this is not Grahan, not G. This is the only thing that has been given to us. Now let's take a look at what is happening. Amatya lost only one match, and the losing match, they got 20 points. They conceded 20 points, which means this is definitely Amatya. And I'll put a cross, which means Amatya lost this match. Cross means Amatya lost this match. That's the meaning. Okay, so 20 belongs to Amatya. Similarly, we can also fix this 25 very easily because it is only one match which Grahan is losing. So clearly Grahan should be 25 and Grahan lost this match, 25. And again, we can do the same thing for Talika and 23 very clearly. 23 Talika has got, T has got, and it has won the match. So a tick mark for T. Similarly, Harihar 32 points. So this should be Harihar. And this is a tick because Harihar has won with 32 points. Now let's look at, now the thing is, for 52, 57, 51 and 47, these are combination of 2 scores. So now our job will be to search for which combinations will be put into these groups, because Amatya has won 2, and in the 2 matches that Amatya has won, the total is 52, but we don't know what are the 2 numbers which are adding up to 52. So for me, the easiest number to start with is 57 because 57 is very high. So let's start with 57 and look at what are the possibilities. If I start, so 32 is already gone. So if I take 30 and 27 is a possibility. So 30 plus 27 is a possibility to give me 57. Are there other possibilities? 29, then it should be 28. 29 and 28 is also a possibility. And but again, in 29 and 28, that is for, we are looking at Grahan 57, right? So Grahan did not get 29, so this is not possible. What else is possible? Then again, if you go one step lower, it will become 28 plus 29. Again, Grahan did not get this. And if you go lower, it will become 27 and 30. That's it. These are the only possibilities. So effectively, there is only one possibility, 27 and 30. Both should belong to Grahan. So this is the winning of Grahan. This is the winning of Grahan. So we have taken care of 57. Now I'll take the next highest number, 52. In fact, there is one more thing I can do. See, if T has got 23 points and won, it could have won only against A. T and A. So in fact, I can write straight away. I can map these two. Why? Because if T is winning with 23, it has to have a minimum of 3 points difference. So only A is there with 20 points. There's no other team, or there's no other score also, and A lost at 20. So that's what has happened. Now, so we got Grahans all three. So I can just erase this unnecessary part. Okay. So what else? Okay, let's take a look at 52. What could be the totals of 52? What can add up to 52? Now 29. 29 can add up to 52 with what? 29 plus 22 can be 52. Could be possible, right? Then then I'm looking at 28 plus 23, but 23 is already taken. I'm looking at 2 scores for Amartya. I need 2 empty scores. So 29 is empty, 22 is also empty. That is a possibility. But if I take 28, then the only other number which I need is 23, but 23 is occupied. So this is not possible. 27, then I'll be looking at 24. This is a possibility, but 27 is taken. 26 plus 25. 26 is available, but 25 is taken. So this is not possible. Then of course, then the remaining will be the repetition again. So it will become again 25. Oh, okay, sorry, 26 and 26. This is 25. I think I made a small error. Let me check it from the beginning. 29 and 22 is done. 29 and 22, that's 52. Okay, 29 and 23. 29 and 23 will give you 52, correct? But this is not possible because 29 is available, but 23 is taken. 28 plus 24 is possible. 28 is available, 24 is available. Could be possible. Let me look at the other possibilities. 27 plus 25. 25 is taken, so not possible. 26 plus 26, but this is anyway not possible. After that, it's again repetition. So we can clearly see that there is only one possibility, 28 and 24. So 24 is Amartya, victory, and 24, that's 24, and 28 is victory by Amartya. Now, if Amartya is winning at 24, clearly 21 should be a losing score because Amartya could be winning only against this one person, whoever got it. Okay, so this person has lost with 21, whoever that is. Okay, so this is 52 is done. Now let's take a look at Harihar and Talika. We have to look at their losing scores. So Talika, if I look at 51, what 2 scores which are left out that can give me 51? So I have a 21 which is left out, but if I take 21 to give me 51, I should get 30, but 30 is occupied, so this is not possible. If I take 22, then to get 51, I need 29. 29 is available, 29, 22 is also available, so 29, 22, 40, 49, 50, 51 could be possible. 23 is taken, 24 is taken, 25 is taken, 26 if I take. To get a 51, I need 25, 26 plus 25. But 25 is already taken, so not possible. 27, 28 are taken, so only one possibility. So 22 and 29 will give me 51. So Talika is 22 lost, Talika, and 29 lost, Talika. Which means the remaining should be Harihar. So Harihar will be 21 and 26 adding up to 47. So this is Harihar lost and Harihar lost. Now we also are required probably to join or rather map who is playing against whom. Okay, so we know that 22, 20 and 23 are already linked. As you can see, 20 and 22 are already linked. 21 and 24 are already linked. Okay, so then if I want to next winning, so I will take the next winning. Next winning is 27. So 27 can win against whom? So 27 can win against minimum 24. It can be 24, 23, 22, 21 or 20 because I need to have minimum difference of 3. So I will look at the losing numbers among these. So 24 is a winning number, so this cannot be possible. 23 is a winning number, so this cannot be possible. 22 is a losing number. 21 is a losing number, but it's already occupied. 20 is a losing number, but it's already occupied, which means 27 is mapped to 22. 27 is mapped to 22. So G is playing with T and winning. Okay, so this is taken care. Next, I will look at 28. 28, if I do the same analysis, 28 can win against the losing numbers 25 or below. So if I look at 28 and 25, 25 is a losing number. Good, maybe possible, but let's look at the others. 24 is occupied, 23 is occupied, 22 is occupied, 21 is occupied, 20 is occupied. So there's only one option left for 28. It has to lose with, or rather, it has to win against 25, which is G. G lost and A won. The next winning is 30. 30 can win against whom? 30 is only winning. There's only one possibility now. These two. Because everything else is occupied for 30. So 30 should be less than or equal to 27. 27 is already occupied, so only 26 is left, which therefore gives me these two are the remaining. So we mapped everything. We got 6 pairs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. So this is the entire set cracked. If you have careful, kept your cool in the paper, you should have done this in about 7 to 8 minutes, and the remaining questions become very, very simple and straightforward. Which of the following is a losing score of Harihar? So losing score of Harihar. So we saw Harihar 26. So the answer is option B. What was the score of the two losers who lost against Amartya? So people who lost against Amartya, what are the scores? So A win 24 versus 21. So 21 is one score. And A won 28 versus 25. So 21 and 25 are the two losing scores. So 25 and 21. That's your answer. Who won against Grahan? So winner against Grahan. Let's quickly take a look. Winner against Grahan. So Grahan lost only one, 25, and Grahan lost against A. So 25 lost against A. So A is your answer. So the third answer should be Amartya, option C. Who lost against Talika? So Talika won only one game, and Talika won against A. So again, Talika is winning against this person A. A lost. So who lost against Talika? Clearly it is A, Amartya again.